Good morning, dear students. Today we will continue lesson 18, the beginning of freedom struggle. In the last video, we had learnt about Indian National Congress, moderates and radicals. In today's video, we will learn about divide and rule policy, and we will also learn today about Swadeshi movement and the revolutionaries of Indian freedom struggle. So let's start. The growing popularity of the Indian National Congress aroused patriotic feelings in the Indian youth. The British realized that they could not suppress the movement anymore. They then thought of the divide and rule policy. As Bengal was the center of nationalist movement, the British decided to divide Bengal into East Bengal for the Muslims and West Bengal for the Hindus. The people were, however, aware that an attempt had been made to divide the people on Hindu-Muslim basis to break the unity. This realization added fuel to the fire raging in patriotic hearts. The opposition gained in strength when in 1905 the partition of Bengal was announced. People all over the country opposed this decision. So people were against this decision of this policy of divide and rule, as they were aware about it, that it was a plan of British to divide the Indians on the basis of their religion, so that the Hindus and Muslims could fight, they could have differences between themselves only, and they would not have time for raising their voice for their freedom. Next is Swadeshi movement. Swadeshi movement was started by Indians to raise their voice against the divide and rule policy. So how did they raise their voice against it? Let's see. To protest against the British divide and rule policy, the people started the Swadeshi movement. In a meeting in August 1905, Indian leaders decided to boycott British goods. The students of Bengal led the way in this movement. Bonfires were lit and British clothes burnt, while people were not allowed to visit shops selling British goods. People started wearing only Indian clothes. The British could not face this movement. They had to abolish the partition of Bengal, means they had to take it back. Some people believed that violence should be fought with violence. They were called revolutionaries. Khudiram Bose, a 14-year-old boy, was hanged by the British for revolutionary activities. Revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Veer Savarkar, Sukhdev, Ram Prasad Bismil, B.K. Dutt, Jatin Das and Ashfaq Ullah Khan joined the struggle. All these revolutionaries, they joined this struggle. Many of them laid down their lives for the sake of freedom. Some people went to foreign countries to win support for India's struggle. Madam Bhikaji Kama went to Geneva and started a newspaper called Vande Mataram. Maulana Barkatullah and Raja Mahendra Pratap went to Kabul and guided the freedom movement from there. The people from Punjab who had settled in America formed the Ghadar Party to help the revolutionaries in India. In 1914, World War I started. Many Indians helped the British government in the hope that they would be granted freedom. But the British government used this opportunity to strengthen their hold on India. They made strict laws and used an iron hand to apply them. Many revolutionaries were imprisoned, hanged, or exiled, but their heroic deeds inspired many generations of Indians. So, British took help of Indians in the First World War. That was in many countries, between many countries. The First World War was there, and the British people, the British soldiers in the Indian soldiers in British Army, they helped in the hope that they would be granted freedom maybe after the First World War, but it was not so. Even after the First World War, British just made more strict rules so that they could have more hold on Indians, and they made more strict rules, and many revolutionaries were sent to jail, or they were hanged, they were killed by hanging, and some of them were exiled. Exiled means they were sent out of the country. But this did not stop the freedom struggle, and many people, the coming generations, were very much inspired by their heroic activities. So, that was all about the beginning of freedom struggle. Have a wonderful day, dear students.